Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to ELC-Studies. Today I will talk about literary criticism. Literary criticism is basically a study or a practice of studying, comparing, analyzing, evaluating, and interpreting works of literature. So, any piece of writing comes in the domain of literary criticism. Some elements to criticize in literature are language, vocabulary, style, open ending, themes, loose plots, and era. According to Shipley's Dictionary of World Literature 1943, criticism is the conscious evaluation or appreciation of a work of art, either according to the critic's personal taste or according to some accepted aesthetic ideas. According to Matthew Arnold, criticism is a disinterested prior attempt to learn and propagate the best that is known and thought in the world. According to Dryden, criticism, as it was first instituted by Aristotle, was meant a standard of judging well, the chief part of which is to observe those excellencies which should delight a reasonable reader. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe so that we come up with an upgraded and emerging versions of videos.